Good evening everyone, and welcome to the CINFIN Securities Day End Market Roundup for June 23, 2026. Today, the Colombo Stock Exchange closed on a mixed note. The All-Share Price Index, or ASPI, gained 2.97 points to close at 22,256.49, recording a marginal increase of 0.01%. This indicates a relatively stable market performance with slight positive momentum. Meanwhile, the S&P/SL 20 index declined by 2.06 points to close at 6,193.65, reflecting a decrease of 0.03%. The dip in the index suggests some profit-taking and weakness among selected blue-chip counters. Turning to market activity, total market turnover for the day amounted to LKR 1.56 billion, indicating healthy trading participation across the market. Meanwhile, total crossings contributed LKR 423.33 million to the day's turnover. Among the listed companies, Hemas Holdings plc and National Development Bank plc recorded the highest traded values during the session, attracting notable investor interest. At the close of trading, the total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at LKR 8,074.47 billion, reflecting the overall value of listed companies in the market. Domestic investors dominated market activity on the buy side, accounting for LKR 1,561.67 million, or approximately 99.9% of total purchases. Foreign investors contributed a marginal LKR 1.60 million, representing just 0.1% of buying activity. On the sell side, domestic investors recorded sales of LKR 1,336.58 million, accounting for 86% of total market turnover, while foreign investors remained relatively subdued with sales of LKR 226.59 million, or 14% of total sales. Among today's top-performing stocks, Balgala Graphite Lanka plc, Haley's Fiber plc, Barruala Resorts plc, CM Holdings plc, and Lancome Salon plc recorded significant gains during the trading session. These counters attracted strong investor interest and demonstrated positive price momentum, contributing to the overall market performance. Their strong advances highlight selective buying activity and investor confidence in these stocks. On the downside, Harana Plantations plc, Agstar plc, Royal Palms Beach Hotels plc, Renuka Hotels plc, and Insurme Insurance Brokers plc were among the top losers of the day. These stocks experienced notable price declines during the trading session, reflecting selling pressure and weaker investor sentiment. Their performance weighed on overall market activity and highlighted the mixed nature of today's trading environment. Looking at the key positive contributors to the ASPI, LB Finance plc, National Development Bank plc, Aitken Spence plc, Nullaloka Hospitals plc, and Pan Asia Banking Corporation plc played a significant role in supporting the market's upward movement today. Strong investor interest in these counters helped sustain positive market sentiment and contributed to the overall resilience of the index during the trading session. On the other hand, Melstacorp plc, Central Finance Company plc, Sunshine Holdings plc, Windforce plc, and Digital Mobility Solutions Lanka plc were the key negative contributors to the ASPI during today's trading session. Weak price performances in these counters exerted downward pressure on the index, partially offsetting the gains recorded by the market's positive contributors and reflecting mixed investor sentiment across sectors. That concludes today's market roundup. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates from CINFIN Securities.